Well, if you've noticed the rising gas prices, you're not alone. The average price of regular gas, according to AAA in North Dakota, now sits at $4.01, almost 25 cents more per gallon than a month ago. In some cities like Bismarck and Minot, AAA reports even higher prices, while representatives with AAA say gas prices have been unseasonably high for the country since the start of summer due to Saudi Arabia production cuts of about 1 million barrels per day. They've spiked even higher in the last week in places like North Dakota, Minnesota, South Dakota, Iowa, and minimally in Nebraska. AAA Director of Public Affairs Eugene LeDusher says that's due to, in part, to refinery closures and maintenance. He says refineries don't typically announce when they go under maintenance, so you usually see the price impact before hearing the news. LeDusher says there are 2 refineries he knows of that are linked to the increase, one in Oklahoma and the Pine Bend refinery in Minnesota. We're in that transition between summer blended fuel to winter blended fuel. During the transition, inventory levels usually get pretty thin. Then when it's discovered a refinery is undergoing maintenance, it kind of spooks the market, said LeDusher. LeDusher says western North Dakota cities typically get their gas from refineries in Montana, which typically has higher gas prices. He says he expects the price increase to be relatively short-term, not last through the fall and winter months. He says winter blend fuel is expected to arrive in the upper Midwest on Friday. He says prices will drop gradually